Over the years, scientists, researchers, engineers, and doctors in the STEM community have made contributions that have improved the technology and development of many countries over the years. And within the STEM community, there have been women who have made huge contributions with discoveries and inventions that have helped build society as we know it today. And in this video, to celebrate Women's Day, I'm gonna give you 4 women who have made a huge impact in the STEM community and have inspired many people, both boys and girls, to become scientists, technicians, engineers, and mathematicians. If you're interested in knowing who they are, you can watch this video. Hey everyone, I'm MJ Sanga, your average engineer. In the world of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, women have made a huge impact in the development of technology over the years. From manufacturing to research to robotics and even aerospace, and to inspiring men and women who want to pursue careers in the STEM field. Thus, to celebrate Women's Day, here's a brief history and accomplishments of 4 women who have made a huge impact in the STEM community, as well as encouraged me to become an engineer. And to start things off at number 4, we have Katherine Johnson. She was born in 1918, and with her curiosity and brilliance in numbers, she was able to start high school at age 13, and by age 18, she was enrolled in Black West Virginia College. She later obtained her PhD, and she was one of the 3 African Americans to have a PhD in mathematics. It was in 1952 when she applied for a position at the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, which is now called NASA, that she began to make big efforts when she was placed in a project at the Maneuver Lords branch. She also did trajectory analysis for Alan Shepard's 1961 mission Freedom 7, which was the first human spaceflight. Her calculations are being used in aerospace today, and her contributions have made a huge impact in space technology. She died in February 2020, but her efforts have not been forgotten. At number 3, we have Grace Brewster Hopper. She was a mathematician and computer science born in 1906. She attended the Hitchcock School in Plainfield, New Jersey. Grace was initially rejected for early admission at Vassar College at age 16. However, she was later enrolled the next year. She then earned her master's degree in 1930. As one of the first programmers of the Harvard Mark I computer, she was a pioneer of computer programming who invented what is known as linkers. A linker or link editor is a computer system program that takes one or more object files generated by a compiler or an assembler and combines them into a single executable file, library file, or another object file. Hopper was the first to devise the theory of machine-independent programming languages, and the Flow-Matic programming language she created using this theory was later extended to create COBOL, which is an early high-level programming language still in use today. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, why don't you hit the like button and subscribe for more of my upcoming content. Anyway, back to this video. At number 2, we have Stephanie Kwolek. She was born in 1923, and her love of science grew as she grew older. And by 1946, she earned a Bachelor of Science degree with a major in chemistry. She is mostly known for inventing Kevlar. Yes, that Kevlar, which is a strong, heat-resistant synthetic fiber. It's a high-strength material which has many applications ranging from tires and racing cells to bulletproof vests due to its high tensile strength to weight ratio. By measure, Kevlar is 5 times stronger than steel, and it is used in underwater applications as well. It's a material that's still used today in many industries, and until there's a better option, it's here to stay. At number 1 on the list, we have Marie Curie. I wasn't really a fan of chemistry until I read her story and her discoveries in radioactivity. It inspired me to pursue chemistry during my high school years, but not too much to the point that I would get a degree in chemistry. Marie Curie was born in 1867. It was during her studies in Paris during her mid 20s that she earned her higher degrees and began to conduct her subsequent work. By 1895, she married Pierre Curie, who was a French physicist. They worked together in many physics experiments, and in 1903, she shared her first Nobel Prize with him and Henry Becquerel for their pioneering work with the theory of radioactivity. She later won a Nobel Prize in chemistry for her discovery in the elements polonium and radium, using techniques she invented for isolating isotopes. She later on helped in the treatment of neoplasms using radioactive isotopes, and she founded two medical research centers as well as developed radiography units to provide X-ray services in hospitals. The research and technology she created during her studies in radiography are still being used in science and engineering. These are a few of the women in the STEM field who have inspired me to be an engineer and have also made an impact in the engineering, science, technology, and mathematics community. Naming a few women, we have Edith Clark, Martha Coulson, Florence Nightingale, and Elizabeth Blackwell. And in my life, I have my sisters, my mom, aunts, and even female friends who have inspired me to become an engineer and to make a huge impact in the engineering community. And to their help and encouragement, I'm really thankful for it. As much as there are men in the STEM community who have made an impact, there are also women, and they constantly inspire many other people to make an impact as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn about electric cars, you can click the link right here. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to stay up to date in my upcoming content, please hit the subscribe and bell icon. I really hope to see you again next week. Have a great day and happy Women's Day.